channel. Before I start, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now my guys, now today we want to know, or we want to look at the positions that Royal Caribbean has. You know, I like updating people regarding the jobs in cruise ships. Those who are interested in applying or getting a job on board, you get updated by me. Now today I'm in Royal Caribbean cruise ships and we want to look for, there are so many vacancies. For example, now today this one is my own account. I want to apply. So the first thing you should do, you should just go and Google rclctras.com. That link will just automatically take you to Royal Caribbean careers. Now without further ado, let us dive into our business. Now today I want to show you how to apply for hotel. There's so many departments. There's hotel, marine, private destination. So today I want to apply for a housekeeping department, and today I want to take laundry attendant. That is my account. Now taking laundry attendant, just click there. Yep, and just read carefully before applying. Read carefully. Yes. And make sure before you go to this website, you should create an account with them. You should have your CV aside and so many documents. They need a CV, they need an application letter. So mine I've already created, so my work is just to copy paste. Now back to business. Apply now. Apply for this job. Okay, let us take another one. For example, what is this one? Butler, horizontal destination. This concern with providing personal assistance. Yes. I think this one suits me very well because I've applied so many or a couple of jobs in Royal Caribbean. So let me try this one. That is butler. Apply now. Let us wait to see. Me, I've already have my resume over here. All my details are here. So what I should update is only languages. It updated already. Yep. Now what I should do is just I've already filled all the required things they need. So mine is just to submit the application, my email, and the caption. That is V, capital V, small v, W, 7, W. So let us finish, and it is done. As simple as that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.